Hello everyone, this is Harshendra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot of you have messaged me about my travel. Why haven't I started yet? But I'll explain later in this video. But now I'm at Cycle World, Bangalore. Let me show you my cycle. So this is my cycle after 1100 kilometers of ride from Kanyakumari to Bangalore. As you can see, needs some minor service. So there's no big deals or anything, but some minor service has to be done. So cleaning, gear shifters, everything. So now I'm at Cycle World. So let's see. Cycle service has been done, so let's move towards home. So it's around 3 kilometers from this shop. Let's go. Yes, cycle service has been done. About this cycle, Firefox is the sturdy, best and comfortable bike. You know, like I covered 1100 kilometers in this bike, and which is upgraded by the bike farm with all premium fittings. So bike farm is giving Mac tech support for the entire trip, and Firefox is giving me free service throughout this journey. So you can rely on Firefox. So thank you so much, Firefox. And yes, hello everyone, it's 9th of September. And almost all of you have been asking about what happened to my journey. Have I stopped? No, I haven't stopped. So I was self-exploring some places. I wanted to explore some places by myself. So I made video, but which I never uploaded over my Instagram and my YouTube channel. But I'll be starting my ride again on maybe Monday or Tuesday. Don't know for sure, but there's one small meeting, you can say. But if that meeting goes well, I'll be very happy, and hope, let's see what happens. And as you all know, September 6th was my birthday, so thank you all so much for your birthday wishes. But special thanks to my best friends and my brothers who came all the way from my hometown to Bangalore just to give a surprise birthday visit, something like that, you can say. They gave me this GOPRO Hero 9 bundle, so which is very expensive. I never expected this in my lifetime. And my brother got me this cap and this shirt, and with this chest strap. And Alenanna sent me this one second, let me open this. So butane gas for emergency cooking purposes, so which will be very handy in the next upcoming places. And yes, about my family, you can say, like I would specially thanks to almost everyone. Like it's very expensive actually. I never expected this from them. Thank you Jnanesh, thank you Nagarjuna Anna, thank you Sakshi, thanks Piru Akka, Pooja Akka, and Ritvik Bhatt. And about this cap, thank you Bharat and Ravina sister. And this is from Bharat. And yes, and one more thing. I got one glass which I sent to my home, which is gifted me by Akshay. So thank you so much. And yes, as I mentioned, I'll be starting on Monday or Tuesday. So there's one small meeting, and me and my friends are working over my YouTube channel and about my next route plans. So we might change some route plans. So I wanted to explore some uncovered places at the same time. Like I wanted to explore some like very different places, and I want to make changes in my future video. Let's see what happens, and I'll add some next level clips. So please share this video, Max. The next coming clips are like, I never expected this from them, so there might be some bad words in this. And first I'll edit Nandi Hills, so which I went on last Saturday, and then laterwards I'll upload like the continuation will be of my birthday video, so celebration, and about my GoPro Hero 9 unboxing, which was next level, man. I cannot say a word. I cannot think of it. Like it was dreaming. Yes, thank you so much. So this is the end of the video, but the continuation will be more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment. If you have any questions, please do ask me in the comment section. And yes, thank you guys so much. Thank you. Keep supporting. Love you all. Bye 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 bye.
Literally 12-6, man. Damn. Damn. Yeah. What the? Seriously. What? Oh, man.
Good boys will learn more.
No. Neighbors! And a friend of birthday! Happy birthday! ಕೂಗುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಅಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ
Extra battery.
ಅದು ಪೈಪ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಲ್ ತೊಳಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು
ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಊದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಚಾಕು ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಡೇ ಟು ನೀ ತೂ ಅನ್ಬೇಡ, ಟೂ ಅದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಬೇ ಯಾರ್
ಹಿರಿಯ ಕಲಾವಿದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಬೇ
ನಂಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು 8 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.